Okay guys, I'm gonna show you now how to tune the Erhu. So this is the device I bought it today. This is the best. I will describe you how to buy this one. Okay, I will give you the links. So code number the 440 and U on the below. So this is the how to turn to the guitars and E string. You see, once the tone is okay, then it pop up green lights over there, and this one go to the center too. You see, it's the E string. It's very good, and this is the A string. So this is the A string, A. And device gonna be tell to you if you need to tone a little bit, tone inside or tone outside, more tight or more loose. He's gonna tell you over there. You see? So now it's okay. So let me test it now, okay? All right, now let me play one of Tibetan songs. It's called "Digung June Chedu." So young Tuma Maju. So it's called like this. Digung la June Chedu la Suya la Ten Bama la Ju la Ona Suya la Ten Bama Ju la Su. Okay, it's very good now. Very good. Very good. Excellent. So it is very good. But I'm not very good with the ears now. So that's the little bit problem. So I'm still practicing, you know. I love it. It's very nice. It give me a lot of peace. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. And I hope you guys like it. And please subscribe. And this is device. I'm gonna link below how to buy this one in Amazon. Alright, so this is very nice device. It's very good. Okay, happy Losar guys. Happy New Year. Thank you.